1.42 billion people. That's how many watched the 2022 World Cup final. France versus Argentina, the most watched sporting event in human history, and almost nobody making content during that tournament made real money. Not because the opportunity wasn't there, because they didn't know how to use it. Now listen carefully. FIFA World Cup 2026 just changed everything. There are 48 teams this time, not 32. 16 new nations, new fan bases, countries that have never had a team at a World Cup before, like Jordan, Uzbekistan, etc., etc. And more teams means more fans. More fans means more countries watching. More countries watching means more views than any other World Cup in history. And here's what makes 2026 different from every tournament before it. FIFA made YouTube its official preferred platform for 2026 World Cup. YouTube is the World Cup platform. That means this is the single biggest content opportunity of the last decade. There are 106 matches, and when the final whistle blows on the last one, this window is gone for 4 years. Stay with me, I'm going to show you exactly how to use it. Before I show you the method, you need to see that this is already happening. During World Cup 2022, faceless YouTube Shorts channels were being created from scratch. 0 subscribers, 0 following. They post match clips, goals, crazy falls, funny moments, player reactions, newses. Single videos were pulling 3 million, 5 million, 10 million views. Some channels went from 0 to 100,000 subscribers inside one tournament. Not over years, inside one tournament. And that was 2022, before FIFA had an official YouTube deal. Now here's what changed. Under FIFA's 2026 partnership with YouTube, media partners can legally stream the first 10 minutes of every match directly on the YouTube channel. They can publish extended highlights, behind-the-scene footage, shots. The content window is officially open. This isn't a gray area anymore. This is a legal, algorithm, platform-supported opportunity. And the people who understand this early, the people watching this video right now, are the ones who are going to win. Let me show you exactly how. The biggest mistake people make is trying to cover everything. Don't do that. The algorithm needs to know what your channel is about. Pick one lane and own it. Here are the sub-niches that pull the most consistent views. Goals only, funny moments and player reactions, underdog stories, the new nations, the first timers, controversial referee decisions, player drama and feeds, specific team fan base content. Pick one, stick to it for the full tournament. A goals only channel builds a specific audience fast. A funny moments channel goes viral faster. An underdog channel has storytelling potential that outlasts tournament. The subniche is your algorithm identity. Don't skip this step. Step 2. Source your clips. You don't need to watch every match live. Here's your workflow. Match ends, you open YouTube immediately, search the match name. Under FIFA's official media partner agreement, highlights are going up fast. These are the clips you work from. Watch the highlight, identify the 3 to 5 moments with the highest emotional charge. Goals, near misses, controversial calls, celebrations, player arguments, funny reactions, it could be anything. Each one of those moments is a separate piece of content. One match gives you 3 to 5 shots minimum. There are 106 matches in the tournament. Do the math. Step 3. Edit fast and post fast. Speed is your weapon here. You're not competing on production quality, you're competing on time. The algorithm rewards recency on trending topics. If you're posting a goal clip 30 minutes after it happens, you're catching the exact search traffic spike in real time. Your editing setup. You don't need no fancy editing. You just need your phone, CapCut, that's it. Take the 15 to 30 second clip, add captions and minimal text overlay, team names, score, player name, clean audio and export. You can also add AI voices like
this one
and rank top 3 moments or top 5 moments. There's no need of transitions, no cinematic effects, no color grading. The emotional movement in the clip does the work. Your job is to get it out fast. and your target is to post within 1 to 2 hours of a match ending. That's the window. That's where the views are. Step 4. Post on 2 platforms simultaneously. Same clip, 2 platforms every time. YouTube Shorts and Instagram Reels. YouTube Shorts benefits directly from FIFA's platform deal. There is real active search volume happening during and immediately after match. People are searching the goal, the foul, the movement right now while it's happening. Instagram Reels gives you a second distribution network with a completely different algorithm. One piece of content, 2 audiences, 0 extra work. This is not optional. Double posting is the minimum standard. Step 5. Volume over perfection. This is the part most people ignore. 106 match. If you post 3 clips per match day, that's 318 pieces of content over the course of the tournament. You only need one of those to go viral to change everything. But volume also does something else. It trains the algorithm, it builds watch time, it signals consistency. Channels that post daily during trending events get pushed harder than the channels that post once a week with perfect production. You're not a filmmaker right now. You're a volume machine with a clear subniche. And be that. Now let's talk about where the actual money comes from. There are 3 parts. Each one is real. Each one has been done. Part 1. Affiliate and product sales during peak. While the tournament is live, your audience is emotionally invested in football. That is the single best buying condition that exists. You promote football products like jerseys, football boots, training gears, FIFA video game versions, streaming subscriptions. Drop the affiliate link in your bio and video descriptions. With 10 to 20,000 followers on an engaged football page, even a 1% conversion rate on a $40 jersey is real money every week. You don't need millions of followers. You need the right audience at the right emotional moment. The World Cup gives you both. Path 2. Sell the asset. Here's what most people don't know. A football page with 50 to 200,000 engaged followers and a history of viral content is a sellable asset. Pages and channels in this space have sold for 2,000 to 20,000 after major tournaments. You spend 6 weeks building it. Someone who doesn't want to build it from scratch pays you to hand it over. The World Cup builds the asset, you monetize the asset. And it's up to you. You choose how you're gonna monetize it, how you're gonna make money out of it. Now here is the path 3. Long-term channel monetization. If you pick a team or a player subniche, some of the audience stays after the tournament. You transition into regular football content, club matches, transfer windows, player analysis. You grow steadily toward YouTube monetization threshold, 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. With the volume you have built during 106 matches, you could hit those thresholds before the tournament ever ends. After that, ad revenue runs in the background while you keep posting. Now you might be wondering why 2026 is the rarest opportunity in a decade. Let me be direct with you. This is not a typical year. Every 5 years, something aligns that creates an unusual window for regular people to build real audience fast. In 2026, 4 things are aligned simultaneously that have never been aligned before. FIFA's official YouTube deal, 48 teams, 106 matches, new nations, new fan base, first time World Cup audience. It's nothing like a algorithm hack, no paid ads, no existing following required. Just a phone, a subniche, and discipline to post consistently for 6 weeks. When the final whistle blows on the World Cup 2026 final, this window closes. It doesn't come back for 4 years. The people who start today have a head start that cannot be bought. Here's what you do in the next 24 hours. Pick your subniche right now before this video ends. Create the account today, name it, set it up, have it ready. Post your first clip the moment the first match ends. That's it. That's the start. Subscribe because the next video breaks down which specific subniches are pulling the most views right now. Go and do it. Pick your subniche and create your account today and start posting consistently. Subscribe for more awesome content. I'll see you in the other video. Peace out.